Generate a wide range of signal types from standard functions to arbitrary waveforms in a snap with the MDO3000's Integrated Arbitrary Function Generator. The AFG has performance comparable to standalone function generators at a fraction of the cost, and it's built right into the scope. Signals are delivered through the 50-ohm output on the rear of the scope. And you access the AFG control through a dedicated front panel button. You can choose from 13 different functions to easily generate the signal you need. Now you can simulate a missing signal in your design in seconds. You can even add impairments like noise for stress testing. Or capture waveforms like this serial bus message seamlessly from any of the oscilloscope channels. Copy the signal into the arbitrary waveform memory to replicate the signal. Once the waveform's in memory, it's easy to then add noise or glitches and see how your system responds. You can even create your own unique waveform right on the scope with the built-in waveform editor. It's simple to make changes to a standard or imported waveform. The included copy of ArbExpress software allows you to create and then edit waveforms on your PC, then load them onto the MDO3000. Create complex waveforms using math expressions, by defining points, by drawing, or combine different methods. ArbExpress configures signal ranges to suit the integrated AFG and handles all communications with the scope. If you need to generate signals today, order your MDO3000 with option MDO3AFG. If you don't need the function generator capability today, you can order it later as an upgrade and install it yourself when you need it. The MDO3000 is as integrated as your designs. Its integrated arbitrary function generator provides a wide range of signals without ever leaving your oscilloscope.